Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Head Teacher Assembly for the last week of the autumn one half term in 2020. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher, and we know what we're aiming for at Grange. Our CC way means that we all want to have a great caring attitude. We want to be really trying our best. We want to always be learning, especially from our mistakes, and we're not afraid to make mistakes. We want to be going for improvement and progress. We see our education as helping us to learn to make great choices as we go through life. It's really, really important for us. That's why we come to our wonderful school and we never give up. Now, remember, we've been talking about wisdom. And the thing about wisdom is we said wisdom isn't like just being clever or being intelligent. Wisdom is something that you grow as you go along in life, because wisdom is when you think really hard about things, when you learn from all your experiences, when you learn from everybody around you, when you keep on learning and growing and you keep on thinking deeply. That helps you to be wise, which helps you to make great choices as you go along in life. Now, we said that wisdom is made up by character strengths. And one of them, which we discussed last week, was love of learning. If you really love learning, then you're always looking for opportunities to learn, then that helps you to grow your wisdom, because you learn so many things because you love learning, and it just gives you more and more and more knowledge and understanding, and it builds your wisdom. And today we're going to look at curiosity. So have a look at this image. You're going to pause the video in a moment and you're going to talk to each other or talk to the adult in your room, and you're going to think, what does this image make me think of? So pause the video and have a chat about what does this image make you think of. Okay, so I use that image to help us to visualize or to think about what curiosity means. So what does curiosity actually mean? What does it mean if you are a curious person, if you are a person who has curiosity? Well, it could mean that you have an open mind. You're not somebody who says, well, I know everything, so I can't learn anything. You have an open mind. You're always prepared to listen and think, well, maybe I might even change my mind if I learn more, or I might develop my mind because I've got an open mind and I'm prepared to listen and to learn. So that's one of the things about being curious and having curiosity. Curiosity also means asking lots of questions. You're really interested, so you ask questions. You're not shy or worried about asking questions. You ask questions because you want to learn. It could also mean that you are curious. It means you are really interested to try out new experiences. You might want to travel to different countries after Corona is past and the world is safe again. You might want to travel to other countries, but even staying in the same place, you might want to learn new languages. You might want to try out new foods. You might want to try out something that you've never done before. And you might want to explore and find out more about the world. All of that is curiosity. And if you do these things well, you again are going to grow your wisdom, because you're going to be trying out new things. You're going to be asking lots of questions, which will help you to find out more. You've got an open mind, so you're prepared to listen to people, and you explore and find out more. It makes life so much fun. But remember, we like to always put into action what we learn. So here are 3 powerful curiosity actions. First of all, you can ask questions. Don't be shy. Ask questions. Sometimes it's time to listen and you have to wait for the right time to ask questions, but always be good at asking questions. Be ready to learn more. You know, sometimes we think, I know everything about that. I've got nothing more to learn. I've got nothing new to learn. But no, always be ready to learn more. You don't know, there might be something that you didn't even realize, and you'll learn it, and wow, that'll be such an exciting fact to learn, or a great new skill or thing that you can do. If you are ready to learn more, you will learn more. And to grow your curiosity, you just enjoy trying out new experiences. Now, I've got to say with this, sometimes it's a bit scary. For example, I love learning Spanish, but sometimes it's a bit scary. But I love trying out my Spanish. If I learn something new, I try to find Miss Shaw and discuss the Spanish that I've just learned with her. I enjoy trying out new things and speaking about them and learning about them. So if we can do that, we'll grow our curiosity. If we grow our curiosity, we grow our wisdom. If we grow our wisdom, we grow our character strength. And that is true strength that helps us with everything. At Grange, we have the CC way. We're confident. We're proud of ourselves. We give love to ourselves. We look after ourselves. We realize that we deserve a good life, and we consider it. We care about everybody around us. We want the world to be a beautiful place. We want to look after the world. We have CC lining up, which is so important, because if you line up properly, then you're ready to learn, and you go in and you learn well, and you do what you have to do and really enjoy it as well and get the most out of it. And CC walking as well, when you have to get from one place to another place. If you walk proudly with confidence, but you are also considerate, because our school is a wonderful school, and you realize that there's everybody around us as well. So you walk quietly, positively, with confidence and consideration. Well, that is brilliant, and it is actually what makes our school so great. Stars of the week this week go to, well, Ramanula. Some great learning. I saw your teacher log that earlier in the week, and really I'm proud of you for doing that great learning. Samina as well, fantastic learning, really proud of you. So those are the gold people from the week. Here's the Grange House of Water, 2,196 points. That's a lot of points. Well done, Grange House of Water. Irfan got 19, Samina 27, Amy 32 points, Atif 33, Joseph 66 points, and Khalif 69 points. Brilliant. Proud of you, House of Water. House of Fire 1,961 points. And we've got Maria V got 20 points. Eric got 20 points. Zohal 22. Avi 22. Yasmin 25 points. Well done. Rocky-san, a great 33 points. Ruel, 37 points. Really great work. House of Fire. House of Air, 1,882 points. And Mustafa A got 19 points. Sophia Z got 21 points. Well done. Ibrahim O, 21 points. Diana, 22. Maria O, 23. Tamid, 24 points. Uzair, great 25 points. Walid, 26 points. Well done, Grange House of Air. House of Earth, 2,277 points, which is a brilliant total. Well done, House of Earth. Nur got 19 points. Vanessa got 19 points. Sammy got 19 points. Leland, great work, 22 points. Justino, 22 points. Riola, 22 points. Patrick, 23 points. Well done. Anj, 24. David, 25. Nehara, 78 points. Brilliant work. So that means the whole Grange community got 8,316 points last week, which is brilliant. And that means our champion class contributions, so which were the classes that really gave us loads of points. Beckham class, thank you, 290 points. Leicester class, 340 points. Ennis class, a whopping 551 points. Thank you very much. But our champions this week in lower key stage 2, year 3 and 4, Holmes class with 567 points. Proud of you. So, Grange community, we have got this half term 34,762 points, and there is still a week to go, and our target was 21,000 points. So as you can see, we smashed our target. So this is Freddie. You remember he said he was going to be proud of us if we got 21,000 points, and he would make a video message for us. So you know what? We said Freddie is ready. He's so very proud of the children of Grange, and we're hoping that he's going to be able to pop into Grange for this Friday afternoon and visit the children. You're going to have to be very quiet and calm. Remember, that's the C, considerate, if Freddie pops in, because you always behave so beautifully, but especially Freddie finds a lot of noise and fuss overwhelming. He's going to be with his mummy, Miss Edwards. But you can already watch Freddie's 21K plus, that's 21,000 points and more, videos on the Grange Primary Harrow YouTube channel. So maybe you can ask your teacher if you can watch Freddie's video that he made specially because we got 21,000 points, more than 21,000 points. We're really proud of ourselves. Be great, be Grange. Live your lives with confidence and consideration and enjoy the week ahead. It's our last week of Autumn 1, half term 2020. So be safe and happy and really enjoy this week and learn loads of stuff. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Be Grange.